Teachy, what are you doing? Come say hey to the kitty. Teachy, look what you did to my pants. Alright, just a quick video. I hope everyone's having a fantastic weekend. And I just wanted to show you this. It's our ladder system that y'all have seen before. This is January 15th. And we've got lettuce growing up here, kale, and some basil. If you guys want to give this a try, basil is one of the easiest things to grow. These are actually cuttings off of other plants, and just put them into the nutrient solution. They rooted themselves and they started growing. So basil is one of the easiest things you guys can grow. We'll go over that in another video. Kale is another hardy plant. It does really well in the system. We've got a load of it growing out back. I'm going to have another video on that coming out. Lettuce is basically easy to grow, but we're going to be going down close to freezing this week, so we might lose a lot of that. So we might come through here and harvest it. You can kind of see it's little, you know, like sparse. We've been coming in here and like just picking leaves, taking it for our salad, putting it on a sandwich and that. So we're probably going to harvest that. And if you guys have noticed, the ends, you know, this is the way we used to make them, where we heat and bend the ends. And I plan on harvesting everything here before spring, you know, and starting over. So when we clean these out, I'll go through and cut these, and we'll actually put our new downspout end caps on them. So we're going to be working on that probably within the next month here, but we want to let these go as long as possible. If these make it through the freeze, we'll go ahead and just let them grow. They'll probably bolt pretty soon. These will still go for like at least another month with us coming in and harvesting, you know, just pulling the leaves off of there. So those will grow, and then basil will just keep on going and going and going. You can just keep coming in here and topping it off, you know, just cutting it down, and it'll just keep getting more bushy. So we're working on that. I just want to show you guys, you know, this is a easy ladder system. You guys have seen it before, and we just constantly keep crops rotating in here. This is taking up only 4 square feet of floor space. Is 4 feet wide. You can make it as wide as you want, but you might need more support in the middle. 4 feet like this I find works fine. It doesn't sag. You can get quite a bit of leafy greens in here. There's another one down here, but because of him, that's right, I don't put anything down there. He likes to run across there and rub and chew and gnaw on the plant, so anything I have down there, he always messes with it. So if you don't have a pesky cat, you can go ahead and have another one. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I want you guys to see it doesn't take a whole lot of space. I actually have it in front of my garage. It's actually cool in the garage because that's a cheap door. It's not a thick insulated door, and this cuts down on the sun a little bit during the summer. And now that we're in the winter time, this ladder system works kind of good, because if you can tell, I've got a little piece of fabric back here, and this was left here from last year. And what I do is, when we have a freeze, it's still stapled at the top there. I just pull it up over the top and drop it down the front of it and leave it for the night. And then I come out in the morning when the sun comes up, and I take it and just drop it back behind of there, and it just sits there most of the year. But it used to be black. It's kind of gray now. About ready for another one. But that was just a $5 sheet, and it acts as a frost cover. So you guys get out there, grow you some food. It's really easy. If you have any questions on how to make these downspouts, I'll link a playlist up here that you can see how to make these, where you heat and bend the ends. If you want the end caps like this, I'll have a link down in the description. I've got some on Amazon, and I've got some in my Etsy shop and that too. So all kinds of opportunities. You guys, spring is coming up. I know, I wish everyone could be like us in Florida, where you could grow this all year long outside. But don't worry, you know, spring's right around the corner. Get ready. I want to see what you guys are growing. You guys get out there, spread the love, live to inspire, keep on growing, and be the change. We'll catch you next time.